Learn how to debug your own code by looking through the error message. You should be able to understand and fix your own code. Welcome to KSI Data Research. Let's get started.
KSI Data Research.
Just open the SQL server. Here is our SQL server. So if I just write down the code, select all from employee. If I execute this code, it will give us the invalid objects names. You can see right here, invalid objects names. But this employee table belongs to one of the database right here. But that right database, that particular database has to be in this place that is called available database place. Okay, we can fix it by putting the right database in this place. Let's see that. As soon as we put the right database over here, the right database is HR schema. So now if I execute here, you will see the problem is solved, the data is coming. Okay, so this is one way we can fix it. What are the second way you can do it? If we give the full path for this employee tables. Say for example, again, we have the wrong database here. If we execute, so now if I run it again, you will see invalid objects names employee. Okay, so if we give the full path here, it will solve that problem. So we can give the database name, and then if we put the schema name .dbo, then if we run it now, it will solve the issue. So now if we execute, if we see now you got the data. All right, so this is the second way we can solve the issue. And then another third way also we can do it. Okay, first delete this HR schema and DBO, this part from here. Then if I run it, it will give us the similar invalid objects names. Okay, so third way would be just put the code, use the database name. All right, so if I run it now, it will change this available place to the HR schema and it will give us the data. All right, so just execute this. See, now you can see it becomes HR schema right here, and then it is giving us our data. So this is the way we can also fix the issue, invalid objects. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching.